section created. Now, for the first, we import first floor CAD and set import unit and playset. Notice that we must set the CAD location we set its location. Now we run Dynamo and select from model, select model element and select DWG file. And we need insert CAD curve from CAD layer node. We insert a string for layer name. We write layer name and run it. As you can see, all of the line created. Convert line to polyline like previous. Python code to copy paste and this code available in our Patreon channel for free. We must fill out this list and run it again. As you can see, all lists created. We need to join this line and create polycurve. Now we insert a string. This string first alpha, columns name. We insert Python script and copy paste this Python code. This is BH degree and location XYZ. with repeat type. We copy paste this file and run it. As you can see, all of the data show. We insert list transpose and we need to 6 index from the list number of 6. Probably it's name of column. Yes, it's true. Now we need name, X and Y. XY is location of the center of location, column location. Three index and 4 index. We insert level, select level. We need to level and elevation. We need we search select level, yes, this level is the bottom of columns or base of columns level. For example, we select str underline before, we select level elevation. This node give us Z location. Now we need to point by X, Y, Z. This point is center of column locations. Now we insert family by insert. No, family by name. And connect name to family type point by name. We insert family instance by point and level. If we run it, all columns created. If all columns rotated, we must rotate the columns. We search, rotate, family instance point set location, and then run it. As you can see, all of the column created. Test it. We change bottom level, and run it again. And run it. As you can see, all of the column created. Okay. We delete this column and run this Dynamo script to in Dynamo player. Now, by this script, run and create column in 1 second. Automatic creating column by Dynamo. As you can see, when it creates section columns or columns property type property, we set example and we select DWG file, and then we run. We wait. for create these columns, property type. As you can see, all of the columns created successfully. Okay, all of the type properties columns created. Now we select created column by DW and